Good morning, beautiful people. We are on day 10 already. Can you believe I've been able to record all 10 days? I'm so proud of myself. I just gotta keep doing this. Trying to do this until September. If you have faith in me, say in the comments so I can have faith in myself, okay? All right, I'm just gonna go right in. Go ahead and take this ginger and lemon shot. Someone asked me why I do ginger and lemon. It's very good for gut health, regulate, jumpstart your day, cleanses the liver. We're going to go ahead and take our shot. Oh, you like my hoodie? I don't know why when I put it on, it just went on that way. Anyways, cheers. Holy cow. All right. Whew. Make my shake now. It's forward style because it's going to be the same shake that I make every morning. So really quick, I'm going to take my MELISA shot, my Goalie Super Green, and then I'm gonna go make up all the kids. It's about time for them to wake up. My Super Green gummies. I don't know why I haven't been taking these on camera. I take one every morning. Usually I forget and then I just grab one when I'm running out the door. Little gummies. They smell really funky, but they taste good. I like everything Goalie, so it's a win for me. They're so good and juicy. MELISA. Brooklyn does that now. She watches ASMR videos on YouTube. So now she like grabs the cookies and she's like, Mom, can I have a cookie? So that's a shot. Cheers. I have another doctor appointment today, but I'm gonna call and see if, I don't like talking with pillows in my mouth. I'm gonna call and see if I can get it scheduled. Do it over the phone. If not, I'm gonna have to pick them up earlier or reschedule, so we'll see. Guess we'll figure out as the day goes. I feel like my eyebrows are highlighting. Okay, time to go wake up kids. I don't even know if this shake I made it to the car today because it's extra good this morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. My husband is already sending me reels. That's all we do all day while he's we be sending each other reels all day long. It's kind of funny actually. And then when he gets home, we just talk about it. See you guys at the gym. Peace. I am extra tired today. But we are here. Made it to the gym.
Ow!
Kids climbing all over the place.
We're going back and forth.
We got here a little early. Kids Club wasn't open yet, so I was just waiting a couple minutes, and this is the result. They open at 9, 10 minutes early. Aww, this guy just saved a baby ducky from getting hit by a car. I love to see cute little things like that. Oh, he saved the ducky. Phone running stop signs. Anyways, I'm so tired. I was literally like almost falling asleep driving. That was a struggle. So we'll go in here and get this workout done. See you guys inside.
Peace out, Dress.
Y'all already know one of my favorite post-workout meal plus first snack type things. Actually only did 1 egg because I want some yogurt too. 1 egg, a lot of spinach because we know that's going to shrink, some onions and some peppers. I'm going to mix this all together. Garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika and cayenne peppers in here. So I'm going to mix all this together with the veggies, and then I will show you what I'm going to eat. Alright, so what I'm going to have is, you remember these, the 100 calorie, 8 grams of fiber? I'm only going to eat one half of it. So I have the other half in here for later. and I'm gonna have one. And then I have one egg and a bunch of vegetables and some feta cheese. And then I have my yogurt. It's Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and some berries. So this is my first snack meal post-workout all in one thing. I'm thinking about, I don't know if I want to make like a ranch chicken or like a Herbalife pizza. I don't know. We'll figure it out later, but right now this is what I'm gonna have. Hey guys, I'm in car rider line. I just finished my doctor appointment, which went absolutely flipping amazing, and I am so happy. I could literally cry right now. It's a very scary appointment for me, and it's just like got the best news ever. But anyways, I have not had my other snack, so it's 4 o'clock already. My daughter just peeled this grapefruit for me because she's amazing, so I'm gonna give her a piece. So I have this grapefruit, and I have this protein bar, and I have a loaded tea, which is orange liftoff lemon tea, mandarin aloe, 1/4 of banana and 1/4 of pineapple, and it's freaking so good. So good, you have to try it. But anyways, I'm gonna eat all this while I'm waiting for my other daughter, and I will later today when I get home. I'm about to take her to her dad's shop so she can go to cheer practice tonight, even though she has a headache. She's gonna go to practice, and then I'm gonna take the other 3 kids home. So see you guys later. Okay, so I am going to make protein bread with my waffle maker. So it's going to be 1 egg, a scoop of instant soup, and protein baked goods. So I'm going to make bread using these and some seasonings. I guess I should record it. I'll just record it. All right, I guess I'll record it this way. Start with an egg, and then baked goods. 1, 2, and then chicken and vegetable flavor instant soup. Italian seasoning. Don't be shy. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Butter. Mixed it. Mix it until it turns into like this weird doughy stuff. And then you get your waffle maker. So you got the big thing of dough, put it right in the center, close it, flip it while we wait. This rotisserie chicken I got from Publix. Cut some off. This up a little bit. Take it off the top. That's what it looks like. Look how thick it is. It's like bread. I'm going to end up putting this in the air fryer, but first, like a barbecue pizza. Barbecue. Some mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna get onion. And then I'm going to put chicken on top. Sprinkle some more Italian seasoning. And then I'm gonna go put this in the air fryer. And now, out of the air fryer, it's a barbecue chicken protein pizza. Non-guilty. Look how good that looked too.
That's really good.
I should drizzle some barbecue on top. Alright guys, done eating my pizza. I shared it with my husband. And now we drink this tea. Do some work on the computer real quick. And then I'll have my dinner shake later. But right now me get some stuff done.
Take it.
Alright, it's time for my dinner. Was that a fart? Say excuse me, AJ. Boys. Have a boy, they said. To make my dinner shake, I'm just going to do a pour over. And it's going to be like a strawberry. It's going to be like a strawberry milk, his face. It's going to be like strawberry milk because I love strawberry milk. And the last few times I had a coffee one at night, I felt kind of weird in the morning. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing. Matter of fact, let me just switch the camera. Hold on, flavor. Alright, so I already put my protein. Now I'm going to put strawberry cheesecake. And I'm going to put 2 scoops. And then I'm going to shake it up. I got confused for a second because Kamora is making herself a shake when I'm done. So she has a different flavor out and I got confused. AJ's playing hide and seek with the camera. And get your cup of ice. And strawberry Hershey syrup. This one looks very big in the camera. Pour it around your cup. Can you see it? Pour it in there like this. Give more of the blender cup because she's gonna make one. Sugar-free whip.
Look.
Add it to your shake. Wait. It's strawberry milk. If you love strawberry milk, you gotta have strawberry cheesecake. It's so simple. Just strawberry cheesecake, vanilla protein, and strawberry syrup. You need this? What do you need?
I need the protein.
And now, we take our night shot of MELISA. Cheers!
I need some strawberry. So can I say hi?
Kamora's nightly high in the video. She just got back inside and took a shower. So now, we're gonna have our nightly girl talk session. And then, I'm taking my ass to bed. I'm tired. I love this shake at night. I don't know why, it's just so good. She poured her shake fast. Okay, y'all, that's it for day 10. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. Give me a high five for having a healthy liver again. High five. All right, good night, guys. Peace out.